Hello again and welcome to this short video from Duncan Cartledge Online on the measurement of attached and isolated masonry piers. This is an attached pier. The building regulations stipulate that these must be included in brick walls at prescribed intervals to provide stability. From a measurement point of view, the question is, when is a pier and when is it a wall? Here is the relevant page from NRM2, and as shown, both attached and isolated piers are measured vertically in linear meters. Importantly, descriptions must have a dimension description, as shown later in this video, in order that they can be priced. For measurement purposes, a pier becomes a wall when the length on plan exceeds 4 times its projection. In these circumstances, the pier is classified as a wall and measured in square meters as normal. NRM2 requires that different brickwork finishes are kept separate. The inclusion of an attached pier means that an adjustment should be made as shown. Isolated piers are measured in the same way, and again, the dimensions of the pier must be included within the description. For the full picture and over 9 hours of voiceover tutorials for only £7 a month, go to Duncan Cartledge Online.